You know what? These sheet pan dinners that I typically do on a Friday night are so ridiculously easy. I didn't film fixing this because there was just nothing to it. But I was wondering, you know, I do usually make these easy sheet pan dinners on a Friday night. Is that something you'd be interested in? Because I could film these. We could even make a series of sheet pan dinners, Friday night easy dinners, whatever you want to call it, if that's something you're interested in. So let me know. Because like I said, these are painfully simple. I have salmon here with a spicy honey glaze, leftover peas, and then I oven roasted some romanesco and carrots. And I mean, all on a sheet pan with parchment. Super easy. So let me know if you'd like some of these.